What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK42865 ELE. This is going to be our electric brake kit for 7,000 pound axles with 12x2 brakes. See right here, this big box is what you get in the mail. We store these two smaller boxes in there. Make sure everything gets there safe and sound. Right here, we open these up. We can see that we have our 8on 6.5 hub right there. These are going to be the True Ride hubs. And then we have our True Ride brakes, the 12x2 brakes, and you'll see in here it'll have left hand, right hand on this sticker. Then we'll open this one up. We have all of our small parts here. And we have our other hub and drum, and our other backing plate. And we'll start with the bearings. Right here, there's going to be the 14125As. These are the outer bearings. They just pop in right there like that. Then we're going to have our inner bearings, the 25580E. These are going to be our inner bearings. You can see these will just go in here, right there. Then we're going to have our seals, and you're going to get 4 seals. And the reason for that is 2 of these are going to be 2 1/8, and 2 of these are going to be 2 1/4. The 2 1/4 are for the older style, the 2 1/8 are for the newer style. So we'll pop our bearings in, and the seal will go in right behind it, just like that. And we can see we have our caps here. You're going to get 2 with the easy lube holes. You can see they're already installed right here and not right here. You'll also get the little rubber caps that come in there. These just pop on right on the end. We also get our regular non-easy lube caps. And we're going to get our lug nuts. We're going to get 16 of these. These are just the 1/2 inch lug nuts that just pop on right there. We have our mounting hardware. Now with these also come in the plates on the axle. Sometimes they fall off during transit, so we like to make sure that you guys get them, and we'll have them. So you're going to get 10 of these, 10 of the nuts, and 10 of the washers. And what's going to happen is you're going to pop these through the back of the plate on the axle. You'll pop your brake on, and then you'll put your washer and your nut on behind that. And right here we have our washers, our castle nuts, and our cotter pins. Now for this, you're going to get 2 cotter pins, 2 castle nuts, and 2 washers. We like to make sure that you guys get everything you need. That's why we sort of send you the extra seals and the extra caps, just to make sure that you guys are set. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the BK42865 ELE.